Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canvas easily at home. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need wooden stretcher bars, which typically come in sets of 4, to construct your frame. Choose a sturdy fabric such as cotton, duck, or linen, ensuring it is large enough to wrap around your frame with at least 2 inches of overlap on each side. A staple gun with half-inch staples, gesso, and a wide brush or roller are also crucial. Now, let's prepare your fabric. Begin by assembling your stretcher bars into a sturdy frame, ensuring all corners are 90-degree angles. Lay your chosen fabric flat, then center your assembled frame on top. Cut the fabric, leaving a generous overlap of at least 2 inches on all 4 sides. Start stapling the fabric to the back of the frame, beginning in the middle of each side. Pull the fabric firmly taut as you work your way to the corners, placing staples approximately every 2 inches. With your fabric stretched, it's time to prime the surface. Gesso creates a smooth, non-absorbent base for your paints. Apply a thin, even layer across the entire canvas using a wide brush or roller. Let this first coat dry completely, which typically takes about 1 hour. For best results, apply a second and even a third coat, ensuring each layer is fully dry before adding the next. You can lightly sand the surface with fine grit sandpaper between coats for an extra smooth finish. Once all gesso coats are applied, the final step is proper drying. Allow your canvas to dry for at least 24 hours to ensure the gesso is fully cured and ready for paint. A completely dry canvas will feel firm and have a consistent, matte finish. Store your newly made canvas in a dry, flat environment to prevent warping or damage. Congratulations! Your custom-made canvas is now perfectly prepared for your next artistic masterpiece, ready to accept any medium you choose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.